going to be putting down on I think this is a 10-inch round. 10-inch round, we're going to create a layer of paint on one side and hopefully some negative space on the other. And I'm going to do a comb through with this. So my colors you've already seen. So let's get to it. This is an MDF board, cradled. I got it from fluidart.co. Now, one of the things I should point out, this is a collaboration, and I think I said it earlier, with Sheleeart, or Shelee Crothers of Sheleeart. Everything you're going to see me using today came from fluidart.co. So I support the company. They're wonderful. Their turnaround time from the time you order it to the time it arrives at your door is the fastest in the industry. I think bar anybody. So there's my shameless plug. Awesome stuff. Here we go. Now might be a great time to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you get notifications of all future videos that I put out. Let's get right back to it. Wiggle it. Okay. Okay, let's talk about this just a second. This one has some happy accidents, which I'll explain in just 2 seconds. I like the color mixing. I think it's a good palette for this. The green was a chance, and I kind of liked the chance I took with it. That Axoli, or however it's pronounced, is beautiful because it shifts. You can see the shift in blue that it does. And over here is the waterfall. After I did my swipes, I realized that, oops, I hadn't done my cell activator yet. So, didn't have a lot going on that side, so it made sense to go ahead and swipe them in, and I'm not happy about that. So, I want you to be aware that sometimes our plans aren't exactly what ends up working. And I think this piece does work. It's been a long time since I've done a comb over, so here you go. This has been Nate's Art Lab for the month of June. I hope that you stick around for the next person in the collab, and well, thank you very much for being here. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.